Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the theme on the Notewise application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you click to the settings icon at the lower left corner of the screen. And here you can find different options. Go to the first section, the general, and you can find the second option, the theme. Click that, the light option, and here you can find the three options, the light, the dark, or the system default. Just select one. Actually I use in the system to the dark option, but if you want to use the dark, just click that and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.